Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Davi. So today I'm bringing you guys something different. In this video I'm going to be basically reviewing this Shein wig. So pretty much when I received this wig, I was surprised on how it looked. The quality is so good on this wig. Like, it's like I bought it from like AliExpress or like a wig, another wig, a wig shop. But yeah, so this wig is 35 inches. It's a full lace frontal wig, and it doesn't come like with the knots bleached. So you guys are gonna see how I kind of achieve like the scalp look. And yeah, so this is going to be a beginner friendly wig install. So yeah, so let's watch me install this wig, and I'll just basically talk through what I'm doing in each step. Okay, so right now I am so as you guys saw, I put a wig cap, and then I put the wig on my head. The reason why I did this first is because I want to see where the part is. I'm pushing up the wig cap to kind of like, because I don't like the wig cap to be all up in my face. So yeah, so I'm just like seeing where I want to place the wig on my head before I do all the necessary things to install the wig on my head. This wig is not that long, but it's a good length, which I like, because I don't like my hair to like reach all the way to my ankles or my under my butt. Yeah, so I'm just brushing the edges upward because I am going to go ahead and cut the lace. Now, I cut the lace not too near. I don't want to cut it like all the way near my where I'm going to go ahead and put the glue, or so I am cutting it just to kind of get that excess lace out of the way. Yeah, so this is what I have left. And then I think next I just use the tweezer to kind of like shape around my head how like I want the wig to be placed around my head. So that's what I'm doing right now. So like I'm taking precaution because I don't want to go like far up into the lace, because like I said, I want to melt the lace and do all that stuff. So I have to leave a little bit of the lace so that I'll have something to work with when it comes to gluing it down. Okay, so I'm using this Fenty Beauty foundation powder because, like I said, the lace doesn't come pre bleached. The knots, how you say it? Yeah, the knots doesn't come pre bleached. So I had to try to get my scalp to look like how I want it to look. So you guys are gonna see me take the wig off, put the wig back on. Then I went ahead and kind of lightly use that same powder to like pass on top of the wig cap. Right here I wasn't liking it too much. I didn't like how light the hair was looking. So you're gonna see I take off the hair, and then I just basically, I think I went in with like my foundation. So I use the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I just basically, pass it all. I just basically like blended it all on the wig cap um to achieve that like scalp look, because I like my natural scalp is not that light. Okay, so I really wanted the wig to look very natural. So that's why, I had to like really, put effort and time into trying to, achieve that look. And as you guys can see, I did achieve it. Some parts it's probably lighter than other parts, but it was perfect for me. Then I'm gonna go with the Got to Be Glue spray, and I'm just going to spray this. Yeah, so I'm basically brushing down my edges because I don't want the Got to Be Glue to um go on the edges, because I've recently experienced when Got to Be Glue goes on your edges, it kind of make your edges kind of like harden. So that's why I'm like trying to get the edges out of the way. So I do this. So as you guys can see, I'm basically going around my head and using that spray. I do this like 2-3 times um on the lace, because I want the lace to be, like laid down. So that's why I do this like 2-3 times, and I go up into like the roots to make sure like the hair is like really really sitting on my head. As you guys can see, yeah, like I'm doing this 3 times, just making sure everything. And I'm also using my comb too to press down on the lace so that the lace can like stay down and that nothing is like, lifting. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I've had this Got to Be Glue spray for years, you guys. I love this glue so much. Okay, so then I go in with this like melting lace headband strap. I think that's how you call it. And like I said before, I want this lace to like literally melt into melt into my skin. So I go ahead and put this on top of where I put that, glue spray. Set that for like I think I did it for like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, I can't remember. And then I take it out, and you guys, look at how that looks. It looks so pretty and so natural. I love how the lace melted into my skin, you guys. This is so pretty, and it's so easy to do. It's just like it's not hard. Okay, so then I go ahead with some mousse, and because I just want to get those baby hairs. I'm not really like doing anything fancy. I just want to get them kind of like laid down and kind of out of the way. And so I'm just like swooping, as I say it. Like, yeah, I'm just swooping them up with some of that mousse to kind of just like keep them at bay, because like I don't want them to be all over the place. Okay, so yeah, so this is how it looks, guys. It looks so beautiful. Like this wig is so beautiful, you guys. Lastly, after I, glued everything down, I go ahead and cut off basically the excess lace that was, that I didn't cut. Yeah, so I just put my edges back up, the baby hairs back up, and then I just basically cut off the excess lace after, everything is glued down. All in all, you guys, this lace is so good for what, you pay for. $67, guys. $67 is great. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Bye.